live on Facebook Opemsuo radio. Same di kan catch na meeting ho kakra ma and then some by maka say the SRC executives name penny for was Serwaa Nyarko school ne ba me di nkomo ni nyina ye mo SRC week na watwe di anim ya on Monday ba this month ya March ne ba and I mean company for ha students ni bi wa ha nti e be hye nkomo na se ebuso mo about the SRC week the di kan mo ye ni one particular question and name di kan ebusa mpanifo yi it memo makwa na mama bom di no mabom position na you are to us from patron mama kwa ba
yeah
open order ma o wadi kan di udin ene bia dibra wo mu se de bi bitim de ho ye
all right patron for me Julius Ade
okay
betre brofo
okay
o Serwaa Nyarko
okay
SRC nsumina me hweche
okay
etutu omu nyama yi
okay and the message na de brofo na to be kakra man
oh okay
why the be frem de me gaga na me kwa why me de be rim kakra intine de akra what about you makoba
eja
patron so din ne odibre
mpacho frem Loretta
okay
me so me chere brofo
okay
and SRC me na me di me penny nichi
okay madam patron so makoba small madam
yeah
patron so din
but you're from me into am washefra me na me SRC
president patron mati mamu nyina makwaba Serwaa Nyarko SRC week the di kan no ye time a ye be baso no na ye ka SRC a na enim se entiase ne de wo ho edin ne kra chemu se students representative council ba yesu so na enim se SRC ni na ye tertiary for na use ye time we school di enima ni school prefect ene ayi the or dining is going to friends dining hall prefect any the oba adoma for a break no na no mu ya pa compound prefect so ni nya sem pe oba prache pa ba na say yate you know the SRC students representative council na him say what the tertiary no a forming and answer is becoming more in the secondary cycle SRC na nkasa mpacho dwumadi ne di ntipa na moteye na dwumadi ben na edi e wo school ni mu ho SRC different from school prefect seminar na sefo na say no na mafa so amode aye the SRC no
me da say ka SRC ni say the working brofo no ka students representative council
yeah
school ni bia o second cycle institution bia no under SRC no butai poti tia SRC no say ebeke bi ama e school for mo school mu enkane no oze na prefect say they okay prefect o my little say o me prefect no na obi say o na mo ye djuma we do mrebi no you say edu be bia administration no sometimes o ye neme bia bia na school for no nya den any enje ho enti na e wo say ko we den eba na o how a school for no ekum no so mu yi o mu mpenifo na o mu so metimi aben administration etimi ayeden akabi e de ama wo eti ne teacher no pa ne say SRC no gina wo e ma students say there be students na affairs and I say how and I say nyama e koso students na brabom no SRC no betimi akabi ama wo
Tibacho abe replace the normal school prefect seminar na say no wo ho and the SRC body ni so ho
okay enti en replace school prefect as seven no
okay
school prefect no da so e wo ho and I wo SRC executives
okay
en kan ni kwa de na SRC ni chase no ne wo SRC president ni separate and ne wo school prefect no so separate
okay
but ebedu baby no na your brony friend power play
say why never share
why ase enti changes by
okay
to see the school prefect or head prefect no ono na say SRC president
okay
enti at the same time no or school prefect SRC president
okay
enti and two prefect entry ne eno so wo
okay
and na SRC no so
okay and fancy ni mi no nyina e function effectively said they say you know as a candidate na mu na wa ho no na wa ha ne dia na informing executives ni so no mo de school prefect line na forming the SRC executive na say under the school prefect and SRC president ne dia obi a won dia school prefect na nkasa we be executive so mo wo ho e bi ne dia mekan e compound prefect na se for ho and SRC ze bi omo executive na so senate
to say they can prefect no. That's what compound prefect.
Okay.
Or library prep ni omo amaka ni nyina nti prefect line no. Ti no ye no prefectorial board.
Okay.
To omo was a line no.
Okay.
Na eba SRC nso a ye wo omo executives no. The president no. So they making head girl na say head prefect na be SRC president.
Okay.
But ye to aba all other executives.
SRC executives no.
The vice president no ye elected up to organizer.
Okay. Okay.
Into your SRC executives on one hand.
Yeah.
And your prefects so on one hand.
Okay.
But nyina ba me school no. So they be school no be konkan.
Okay. Madam Vice Patron Maho, having SRC executives in Cray said ye say a chichim we your prefectorial born in so on your SRC in the ball. Do you strongly believe say SRC no more they incorporating into the secondary cycle no it's been of help and I say fasodia basopama and crano you being advised the who growth be war introducing this SRC no more introducing one who growth be a their bank any man as even the school no among with different kind of representation outside more shows and I say it's practically the same thing but just say abana munyina moyebi. How do you see it?
Okay, what I say yes say abana na yebi abo student in pa
okay
ye ko secondary school ni bi
yeah
ye edu baby a ya no so baby a but no by next house in the no we hear the voices of the students
okay
because they are there to help all the students. One more honum some beboa school phone nyina nti one more sem ni edika tie one more de nyina we sit down na ya fa adwen hu se na beboa one nyina nti aboa papa.
Okay. Meaning say one be as a president in the no the SRC of the secondary cycle no more independent in the sense say more ade on own and I say acquire secondary cycle at the no other SRCs in various schools no secondary cycle no money omo twakebi I be a multimedia program be say the SRC of Serwaa Nyarko and the SRC of ebi afia kobi e wada link na purely obi aye ne de e de hwe ni suku no wo ho ne nkra na ewom no. How is it that
the etoda eshia
okay
etoda nso a se mpempi no ye obi aye ne de e wo school and SRC week aye for instance no obetimi ni another school aye collaboration
okay
obe invite them no maba whoever SRC week no na almost invite you na wako omo de
okay
and but then mainly obi aye ne de the school
okay how long na the SRC for Serwaa Nyarko are in existence? Cause madam seen the time one so who be miso me de sa to hear madam name time na I say you won't pa
metimi ans aka dia me hu mi
okay
me ba school mo in 2015
okay
as a 10 to 11 years
yeah.
ago me ba ene ewo
okay
and metimi aka say it's been there maybe 13 years now.
Okay. Okay.
Na obisa question be in school be one independent SRC
yeah.
but your original SRC president regional force so modi until when it comes to decision making we all sit down they make it for the region and that school be implement it on school.
Okay, regional dey so to say no aye to say van some aye mpanifo a chechefo ya Musa ye SRC mpanifo hono mo na mo form the regional one and I say regional na ye nkra na okay nene omo ye ne say
the whole of secondary schools na our region
okay
mbeshia omako congress
okay
na omako toto omaba
okay
campaign because so near there
okay
no matter aba
enti madam ntiamo ate he it could be say obetimi abeye mfan say the SRC president for regional schools ni nyina
obetimi
oh okay
when the time upon into me
you have to be in school.
Okay. And also we are no. Me hu yanka me bedema nanka. Yeah, proper campaign pa.
Is currently the regional president of Prempe College.
Okay. Usually move on. Me ana me kan. But you remember intiamwa combining education and leadership. Yeah, there e be den pa. leadership crowd any day education there so to me sure there no one kind of book but being a leader and say you'd have to be in front of OPS in age if you be change will be change even though money na more under the secondary school cycle but combine education and the leadership it's saying
okay me da say if say was me kan ho asem dia eto da eyeya
okay
eto da nso a hu ne say it is building you a CSO for that chimfufro or say eto da to me sacrificing class for some issues it be one so issue ni be one ma betumi eja honom akusua de aba na wa ba beto aso but in all no ni nyina e kam
me mama no ama odi me go school no sna na kusua de ni twa exams no na o ya graduation ama baby say me bana na ya etwa awie enti ukoye bibi fufuro bebu sa say na we see the koba mu da ben dey ni pushi wo say you know go for this role because in some school no there is a populace and I was say wunya pepa na say wo paade bi na ebi a wakobo ho de ro no bi atena ye ne de na abato okra na ya to the amount dey ni pushi wo as a person say go for this role
idea mape
okay
fiti when I first came to Serwaa Nyarko na omo ye miss Osiahene pageantry ni bi and I joined me feel say eno na be platform a ebetumi aboa me ama me pushi baby am pese me do me pese me boa afoforo
okay
nti me hu this as akwenya ebetumi ama me gain popularity ama nipa hu say nipa we e wo honom nti mra ne so na me boa obi a I've already have that grooming no any addition no
okay
nti e be ma na ye simple
before becoming the SRC president as executive penny you know the na wo abontin na wo hunu no just as you rightly said nyoma person who no be sometimes you have to be in a position be answer na wetimi I extend help to someone nyoma who na bonting and say wo ba into the role you know it is saying have you been able to achieve most of the things and now wa bonting no who ya na say wo ba mu wi no who say it's a learning period until be ananka unya wo be boa bonti but for now no untimi so you are learning how to do it as you move on in your education on nanka how they apply o wa bonting wo ba mu no so it is saying
two different things e bi anam ne kwan so because o abonti an ho ne say ade e wo se nipa ne ye na onye no e yefo anka obetumi aye te say asemasi uni obi ene wo classmate entem munyina na mo ba school pe munyina na mo gina pe but edu ba bi e wo se uma emra no e ejuma no e ya na enda form sa nti de o wa abonten ene wa wo ya ade no obia ehu no differently obia ehu no kwan strong kokora so because the abontin who ne say oh say you no a anko obetumi aye but ona wo mu no ona oti wuja ho nti una onim say the decision
okay mama sha say free how with this question say this year SRC jumadi amudi no when we say theme that so ye den e dey intina modi this year ye and what do you guys want to achieve after celebrating it no
me da say the theme for this year's celebration no painting excellence through a thriving mindset.
Painting excellence through a thriving mindset. Yeah, the bedroom American is a bunty one.
Yeah.
Ote pa say ote. Say bunty also checking you. I say painting mindset.
Painting excellence.
Painting excellence
through a thriving
mindset. But what mean to you?
But oh, you fasa. Team no because of signature name. You can signature name a edin da so. They said the modern year Opemsuo no.
Yeah.
Yeah, there no sense savvy.
Okay.
Sense savvy no sense no free. Serwaa Nyarko you try nitia e friend no sense.
Okay.
Inti sense no e free ho. And I you can say savvy abrofo ka no savvy e brightness, smartness, colorful. Inti yen ade aye ne to fa nyina ne say obi a osuani bi o Serwaa Nyarko bia no or dachi a shrine or wade papa winimu and on a my yokofa painting excellence through a thriving mindset. Nina say ye bedi jumedi ni nyina be wi no na ade pa e wo asukufo nim no omo atumi ayi apie we kwa de ya lucky regionals NHS say omo mpenema artists bia emba school ni mu em performing and I yen being student leaders so yen some of the students are omo betumi atonyom omo betumi asa I can boldly say yen students na bi kwat me performing artist no nti dwumade ni nyina abekwa awie no na ne pa ewe mu no yetumi adan na di ama school mu hofo ye mpatan mu hofo region no ene oman Ghana nyina ehu say ye wo school bi wo ba bi a ye frɛ no sese wanya akon eye mankwa school na so omo wonsa no dwuma papa bi ena afen so se de be ya mpanifo a ewa ha no ebetwe omadwen esi yen so se ye woni pa bi we mu nti se moa bi wo hono ma eni kwan se ekɔ outside the region na mum no e wo se eba se wanya akofo.
Okay, the conversation about artists being perform mo hono recently Ashanti Music Fest summit be eba so organized by the regional minister. That conversation by Mjidi say at the corner here in a track bi nto mo ye ho djuma star okay ni nanka mo expect say nka ask your last 10 million ka unye bi o hanka pepa
yete no fufro no na ye mpene so but yete na asian so na ye hwehwem ne hu say for yankasa your own good at least amba me pushi me fellow students and as osuani amenim say ono so ya ade say obeye in all and so create room for sa osuani no to do something good for himself.
At the summit, secondary schools by they came with a band.
Yes.
Omo board drum singers na se for. So when you come obisa, you have a school band almost ever performing and then everything. Nice one. Say, this year as he said, SRC fees over school more a bit like roughly 13 years and the with the theme any activities, member activities no me no bread. Madam Vice with the theme many activities now woman this year what makes it different previous years has there been any inclusion in this year be a man dance song when say practically more operators of ABM follow and one more just to keep Nkran active in the school.
This year the no strong considering the theme they said they program be obeba so there but your a night of variety show.
Okay.
Students in the bed your friend is saying talent Eddie.
Okay.
Your traditional day so a womb and no your per se your Ghana month we soon now obia ethnic group or female obia showcase bibi kakra ama nyina ya den yes, dinner and awards night for students no be omo talent no on person will showcase that day. You be award during that particular night I think so one a day back wa this year ni say na ye ni ye say ye ni mentia ensheda emben nti ye adwin say afidie ye be mentia na ya be clean up kakra ewo mentia say nti ade ye sonkon a ewo mu de ma bo so yi.
Nice. Mesa about madam memra ho this the jumedi ben na mo the activities here hunu from flyer no my year data mo share say the 24th of March see the 29th of March 2026 ye hu activities ye hu say machiche mu obi anopa na mo obi enwumre ne pompon so ne ye den activities na ye den na di nti na mo ye say bobo kakra bi so de but obo ame the di ho ne ebi ye den ne den na mo ye de to achieve it.
So we share a flyer no so first day no ye be lunch and na ye be biano. Ye dey actually amansan nyina say ye di SRC week. And ye anopa no ye be start 10.
Okay.
E dey kwakosi acha ye 12 na ye na ma chorus. Na nyimre na be candle night and then jams and ye obi anse bi. No ye dey tia no kwala na hu say bibi say no abaso. Then on the Wednesday anopano say kan no e beba float no and a clean up exercise e be no in and around Menshia na enyumre no ya story time by the fireside and no ye ni ye ma teachers na mo ho no ye house mistresses ye ma me ankasa ama Esther ye no mu nyina betena se na wo mu life journey ade o ma film lessons ene nyoma o mafemu nyina no omo beba be catch nkola no
okay
nti na ye by a story time by the fireside no
na mama nyina ho na memusa we say dwumadi amudi nyina no eye we ka say strictly say nkra ne nyina beba e mandatory ana say nkra ne bo e bia omo usua de nti mu nhye dan hye wo mo say omo form ho djuma na say for this period ne de o say akra bi wo suku mu ho bia no e de ne ho djuma bi
mpacho program for the school.
Okay.
Into be akra bia.
Okay.
Ye teachers ne de wajim.
Okay.
Nti almost the omo be jim sa. Akra bia entena. Se na de na si de no. O ti de na ono na obeba.
Yeah.
And on a Thursday debate competition, any other schools.
Okay.
And a be debate no. And e be anopano. Na enyumre no e old school and variety show. And the old school no omba be che old school dress and ho na be hu heels akese any stockings any omo afro.
Yeah.
Na nyame adoma Friday no Serwaa goes traditional. Say na say kai no they will showcase their tradition and asante man ko.
Yeah.
There are lots of students from different regions. Ti be see who traditions ni nyina obiane ne tribe and e wa obey before there na obey crying for there family me gine mama fante for.
Okay.
And me so me dress sa
Okay.
na me de aba na enyumre no ye be awards and dinner nights.
Okay.
Which is with the live band.
Okay.
It's a live band.
That's the school band now in Tiamwaka.
School band. There's another live band coming. The school band they play one part. Not professionals, no. Because we are still learning. Your band, no. This is our second year.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, bank account. Now yeah awards, no. Awards, no. Kalani be brought no throughout the year. They've exhibited too much talent. They need awards. You better award more. Na Saturday no exhibition and fanfare with the LG groups from different schools. Ebeba. Nti se wo mo ba bimba be drama be koso poetry be koso na exhibition of food, exhibition of dresses. Nti ye ne ye department ni nyina aka a wo mbeba abaye na enyumre no ye Miss Osia hene grand finale. Pacho mi refia de ba ko Friday no ye be cooking competition.
Okay.
Ma ye Osia hene for no ma na omu gina for queens no ye be cooking competition ama omu and then the teachers ne so ye be cooking competition between the teachers.
Edin Osia hene no ye tiase de na Serwaa Nyarko din anase dwumadi amudi e na mafa din ne de atoso Osia hene. Okay.
Oka Serwaa Nyarko ye din ye Osia hene.
Okay.
Ene ye Osia hene o asante me.
Okay. Sansa na asante hima Serwaa Nyarko na ni din da school so.
Cooking competition no Lavons for na sponsor ye.
Okay.
Se mambo mudia na my
Benya asem.
And a Sunday no nyame adoma ye be climax enyumre no.
Okay.
Ye be Sanctuary Gospel and Choral Fest. And then ye mana ye wo kwa ye wo Levite, which is a singing group. Na ye kwala ne bi mu so yade. Nti wo mu nyina ye be bia kwan ma na da da nyame ase say the program well done.
Jumadi, as you said, Serwaa Nyarko school na mo ye Jumadi. But more allow ma essence more SRC ni other schools SRC money or more saying kita more allow ma ABA bonten so for tiliba eba be participate in any of the activities and answer more specific ones be a obi betime fra bonten aba be participate in and answer we no my and say strictly for enkra no ne fancy all students of Serwaa Nyarko and no kwa bia mo yiyim and also to say
me ba show you invite other schools o mo beba abeboaye senia almost omo de yesko na meka no SRC na the whole of Ashanti region.
Okay.
And I was student representative council.
Okay.
You know, so we your programmer. Ubetimi afre beboa me na waba na no so abegine in Kwalane de omo na for 4 different schools.
Okay.
So omo ba na for socialization na koso. They are building that relationship.
Ba ne pebi ti say DJ Simple de unhia na ho. DJ ba ko wa o so api.
DJ Simple obetimi aba.
Say
Especially on fanfare no.
Say ne ho ahometi ho. DJ Simple de.
Don't worry.
DJ Simple ho ahometi me say.
DJ Simple.
Ai.
O me yehwe.
Ne ho ahometi. E no amade amo no ama.
Oh.
Me won say me nwa man no mu bi ba me ma omo nso aba na mate e wedo but answer na mbe sorry no. Mo aboafo bia mo obi ameda o mase na se akoye school nkora na dwumadi o mo kwan amofa so school na afa ho ka ana se no nso tesen bia mo ni abafo nso a mo be call for abafo se nya afi impodie na afi ewtwere mu a president ma mention say free ho menje take on that na
ini kan yebeda your headmistress ase say waboy decision making support bia say odemaye bia no odemaye this year ena enya oboafo Lavons almost sponsor with the cooking competition Medina ni so aka say ehia supporters be sponsors be brave nti obi biara obetimi aboye no otie ya omeboye.
Nice one, that's it. Madam Bacho wa misu menjo de muhi aboafo na say mu obi amode aseda be mo nso a
say no kan ye pesa so da ye chief patron nso ase because also oboye pa in terms of decision making ko be bia odi enim and unfortunately there's another program here and pa also continue also oboye pa na ye SRC committee members also oboye pa and still na ye here supporters ye here sponsors because enkwala ho ejuma na ye nti just a little bit to go a long way.
Okay. Bacho mate. Madam Ntiamo ade atwan me no ne bewie menje kakran free unuama ne ho no. Bacho mma mo nsoma kwa ba. Ya na nyeso na ka o. Ya be ma de mo de make bia mo nka. Bacho wudin ma menja se free odin ene won so opposition.
Efemi honorable Francisca Kusiwa Acheko.
Bacho ka se gu mic mam na odin na ha.
But FM Honorable Francisca Kusiwa Acheko.
Honorable Francisca Kusiwa Acheko. Did mudu. Honorable Pemwa. But also position here.
But show me WDS General Secretary.
And who said that?
Writers and Debate Society.
Oh. Mona mukasa wa bebe no ntimi kasa sa debaters and writers no. Oh, that's nice. Also can SRC executives now. But also din.
But FM Honorable Amabrefi NG. Me advertising manager.
Oh, my namesake. NG. One for boys ya kuna hanka ho. Man dia mumpe. Nice one. Also advertising manager for the SRC no. Mami me start to work specifically will role in this year's SRC week celebration day.
So my role is say me advertise SRC no.
Okay.
So it's not only in our school, also in the media. If you say nya young kwana being kind of saying so when you be an name say the SRC. It is a student for who I was say social media and so me advertising my own. Okay. Now say if sponsors want to help us so no matter buying for SRC week.
What is that unique thing about Mumudi? Just as say kind madam kind you know aboafo bi won cheno betima beboam. What is it about Mudi na is so unique? And I mean say you made the activities are Mudi nyina no te say mo ye message so see ahini nyina no. What do the students that win these activities no? What do they stand to gain? And at the end, you're so good about it in Tia.
Okay, so about the Miss Ocean, sometimes we have traditional day boom. I don't know. On men they will cook some traditional meals. Sometimes we limit ourselves to pizza, shawarma, near the but some of us here need local dishes. Into during that cooking competition. We to see a hen phone ben no local dishes to say at all for phone near the day. It's in coffee be so the traditional foods are here. Your ninja say limit to the foreign foods.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Debate president, honorable. Debate the idea mood do power mixing that with academics in so an day. Was like oh baba could throw exams near different no. But we all baba be jinani pardon many much chilemu. And so on to say.
Really difficult kakra. And aside that kwame say day students
okay.
You share meeting Saturdays into me share na me run me timetable na maba. Ye ba me obi asem hu say oba gina bedwam kasa ya na ye me fe. Nti yes yet you won so say ye beboa ma mo school mo a pese as omo timi ba out be kasa no pese ye bo omo na build omo confidence na omo self esteem ni ye bo omo ehye se the sikasa obedwam ni omo aye kan de nka.
Okay, this year there is a debate competition in it among small schools and answer more here with other schools. No, how will it also go?
This year we decided to have it inter houses.
Okay,
nti ebi aye 7 houses we school morning nti Friday ye be holiday ye be prelims ni ye the best two na nyampa ye date in 26, that's 26 now ye finals nti omo be the first na ye prizes be the be ma wo.
Okay, all students be honoma activities he say because they don't involve themselves in it. What is that one word you'd want to tell the old students of Serwaa Nyarko when it comes to some more mujumedi say?
Make us say jumedi bi say na se woni bibia jiro ho ne fa ho hye because say me ho say Serwaa Nyarko ye ba abonti na nya social media handles na se for na bo ama me kan say school na konanim nti no wo bibia de metimi aka say wo bibia jiro ho ne ye ne betimi de wonhura na se won page aba da chibi.
I'm so say social media no more join the good side no ho. Once you two sides so madam wanka se bia ya ye boni nti so madam ka se bi president here sorry so there are seminar obeka chem said there are students but they know mbeti this conversation mbeti this interview and then also there are probably all students of Serwaa Nyarko Girls School omutie ya ebi kro mate se mo SRC but omunim ne se mo ye bie mu sei ye activities of interest. What is that one thing you'd want to tell them?
Some day I can be brave de bia ye ka but then also ye besan aka ye besre Sunosa, that is the old students of Serwaa Nyarko Girls. Mona mo baby da nti mostly no say ye kan your problems are mona mo tiasie from the Sunosa president to the last person I was Sunosa ye besre mo. Yes, sir. We've been writing letters and all of that, and we hope that Mobe responded to them. Ye hiamo because mona mo ye union mo penny for and I do dear train susia do any monanti. Ye best remo Mombra na mo meka ye hona ye ma since abi 2026 and ye exciting. And now to all the students on campus. This week is not for teachers. This week is not for young executives. No, yeah, try a possible best, and I say, yeah, they able to me. Inti na ochi we aye ba be di modia India at the papa bia winning ye bia when we call you to come and perform, please come out and do your best. Na ye ntimi nye nyina mane enko enkan afen so ye best rena na no ma hemfo a eti Opemsuo san say nim so Opemsuo de eye otumfo de enti no empanifo eti yes remo ye pamocho ye Serwaa Nyarko fo e na ye ka say school ni hiamwa na ye buy no ya try your possible best with the help of ye mami ma Esther ma Patricia se Julius mama Dome ma Sylvia teacher achachre for executives ne prefects na ye boy ye homodin eguso so e boy ye homodin ba ye besre MP a wo district a lawyer say omo munyina mo meka ho na mo nye ye moa isanse say ma moa ye a adoma chede ndi obebre ma nso ye mu a ye bewie school no na aka ho a yintimi fanko baby a afin so ye beda ebusuafo nyina ase because ye ka say ye pese ye be position we and o mama go ahead na aka yintimi nye nti prefect and executive bia wo Serwaa Nyarko bia medana hofo ene na busuafo ase so mama me nkofo say a metumi ni omo ye adwuma ase good thing
Mate madam better say no so the money din cry me ka say vice president ne vice and na manfo ase o man na ya say Opemsuo 104.7 yen so this year SRC week celebration yen omo na edi enti dwumadi omo be di nyina na obi on all of our channels the betim the aba live near the baba live there was a chance and near the banning so no the nyina baba mo bibia hunu be sense it's a good cause that they are all pursuing into Opemsuo don't see hunu ade pass na na wodun patron so din ne opposition
patron medin the boatin is the Araba Penkra me a public relation officer for Serwaa Nyarko
do ma vulnerable na kan ho
honorable boatin is the
thank you honorable ni here also your public
relation officer
they say no so kan no ma be kasa first too. See bibi aboko there. Anticipation for this SRC week net is saying.
It's okay. It's very motivating too.
Okay. But from Martin, Madam Asimo last was via Mbeka and what said there be?
Me make us say this year SRC ni dey be ye do twam ti me say ye mpotem mu ni mpanimfo ne omo betimi aso yas na omo ni na omo no omo nya de omo betimi ai say de be ye kama.
Nice one, Patrona. So
Patrona, upusa a question about all students. No?
yeah.
In most schools, na yeah, all students for the tie so mum. Semester say all students of Serwaa Nyarko so baba boy. If say the all students also they are also part of the school. It is some more baba boy and idea school no so betimi akoni.
Patromati. Patron so be to.
I would like to give thanks to our teachers, administration, and especially our patron too for giving us this opportunity to come out.
Patromati. Me so me da masese mo bae. Na as I said, ye be come ho.